Today, I'm going to tell you how to make healthy beetroot halwa with jaggery. For this, I've taken one banana with small size and some grated beetroot. I'm now going to completely peel the banana and going to use a masher to mash this completely. We take this mashed banana and store it separately for us to use it later in the recipe. We then take a tawa, add some ghee and then empty the grated beetroot into this tawa and nicely fry them. We are doing this to ensure that the raw taste goes out. We then close the tawa and cook it. We add some water so that there is some moisture in the beetroot and add 1 cup of milk to this and ensure it cooks well. To this we add 1 ladle full of jaggery. To this we then add the mashed bananas and nicely mix it thoroughly. Ensure it cooks well and then add some ghee onto it. Then we add some elaichi powder for some flavor and mix thoroughly. We add some roasted cashew nuts and badam to this. Our yummy beetroot halwa is ready.